What's up guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Hurricane XLT2 Alp from Teva Kids. These sandals are made with a durable polyester webbing upper. It gives you long-lasting durability, but it's also quick drying too, so if they get wet, you don't need to worry, they will dry fast. It's got lots of adjustability with all of these straps here. You have 1, 2, 3, and then it's got some nice cushioning around the back of the heel. Inside is soft. The whole sandal is water friendly. You've got neoprene underlays in the forefoot as well to keep the straps in place, and it keeps the toes from catching in the webbing too. You have a contoured footbed that gives you some great comfort, added durability, awesome flexibility too, and the bottom is a rugged Durabrasion Rubber outsole. It stands up to those, rough terrains, plus it gives you some great traction. Be ready for the outdoors in these fun sandals from Teva Kids.